Today, I'm going to give you the full tutorial of how to start making money with affiliate marketing through Amazon affiliates. As the largest online retailer, Amazon has over 12 million products and sells an average of 17 million every hour. But the company itself is not the only one making all this money. There are people out here making six figures a year just from Amazon affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you how to set up an Amazon affiliate account, and I will also be showing and explaining in depth how to take advantage of this to make money and how you can get started today. Affiliate marketing is a great side hustle. You can start doing it with $0, and I'll show you how to set up everything in this video. Amazon Affiliates is a program that lets content creators, bloggers, and marketers earn money by promoting Amazon products. You get a commission when someone clicks on your Amazon link and makes a purchase. It's open to people worldwide, and there's no registration fee. The only requirement is to have 500 followers on any social media platform. Growing your social media following is now easier than ever, and you can do it without even showing your face. So let me show you how to set up your Amazon affiliate marketing shop. Before we dive into today's content, take a moment to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon. Now, I'm going to show you how to set up your Amazon Influencer Affiliate Link Program account. What I did to get to this page was I just Googled Amazon Creator University, and I got to this page. I like this page, especially if you're a beginner, because you can actually go through all of this, and it kind of gives you a rundown of everything that you can do with Amazon affiliate marketing. So definitely spend time on this page. It's kind of why they say it's like Creator University, because it really just gives you the rundown. There's so much information here that you can go through, and it just really helps you out as a beginner getting started. So I'm going to be showing you how to set everything up, but if you want to actually read out how to do things or if you get stuck, you can watch my videos again, and you can also go through these if you ever have any questions or anything like that. Of course, I'm there for you in the comments too if you need help along the way. So the easiest way to get to the sign up for the influencer program is I just Googled Amazon Influencer Program. That way, I don't have to dig through the Amazon website. So I just Googled Amazon Influencer Program and it pops up right at the top here. So go ahead and click on that. Then you're going to just click sign up, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do all these 3 steps. You're going to build your storefront, you're going to create and recommend products to your audience. I'll show you how to do all of that as far as adding to your storefront. Be on your way to earning money with the Amazon Influencer Program. So when you're ready, go ahead and just click sign up. And again, this is free to do. You're either going to connect an existing Amazon account, or you can create a new account here. So I'm just going to connect my existing Amazon account. Then you're going to select one of these to check your eligibility. Even if you do not have an audience on TikTok or any of these TikTok, you can grow an audience the fastest, especially. So go ahead and just click on TikTok, and we'll just sign up using TikTok for this. Then it's just going to ask you to authorize your TikTok account with Amazon influencers. If not eligible, try another social media account. Upload a profile picture, add a bio, and link your Instagram and TikTok. Create posts on your influencer page, tagging products for affiliate marketing. Build an organized storefront with idea lists. Title your list, add products from your browse history, and submit. Amazon approves, and your list is ready. Repeat for different categories. For easy link management, use Beacon's AI. Sign up, claim a unique link, and add it to your bio. Design your page and track insights. Stick to a niche for faster growth. Patience is key, focus on mastering content creation. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest videos.